Hi, everyone. Welcome
Hi.
back to the last day in the week, focusing on the diphthong oi, spelled O-I or O-Y. Remember, boys and girls, whenever you see the O-I and O-Y in these words, and actually all the words, it will say, no, I take it back, in these words, it will say oi. What's it going to say? Oi.
Oi.
What's it going to say? Oi.
Oi.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and use what we've learned so far. Remember, we are in day 5. So no more syllable blends, no more sound by sound blends. This is whole word blending, which means that you're looking at the whole word. You're looking at the help that I've provided here to give you the clues that you need to be able to say the whole word. So take a moment to digest the word and then be able to say it along with us. Ready? Boys and girls, you're ready. Teachers, you're ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Asteroid.
Asteroid. Factoid.
Factoid.
Embroider.
Embroider. Devoid.
Devoid.
Okay, we read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Asteroid.
Asteroid. Factoid.
Factoid.
Embroider.
Embroider.
Devoid.
Devoid. What did you notice, teachers, here? Remember, boys and girls, you can hit pause, take a moment to look, and try to figure out what do they have in common. Miss T, go ahead and let us know, what did you notice?
I noticed that there's an oid sound spelled O-I-D.
Yes, you're right. So we have OID, 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 and OID. Something else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I noticed that asteroid and embroider both have the spelled ER.
Yes, thank you for watching out for our ERs, our R control vowels. Remember, we have an R control vowel if there's a vowel in front of the R. Anything else that you may have noticed? Well, all of these words have more than one syllable. We call that multisyllabic words. Let's jump over to line 2. Remember, whole word blending. 3. Oh, I should say this. For this one in particular, being mindful of that I's double job. But teachers, you already know this. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Word.
Clairvoyant.
Clairvoyant. Word.
Viceroy.
Viceroy. Word. Oyster catcher. Word.
Employee.
Employee. Very nice. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Clairvoyant. Viceroy. Oyster catcher, and employee. What did you notice? Again, boys and girls, you can hit pause. Think about it. Yes, Miss T?
I noticed the oi sound spelled O-Y.
Yes, you have OY here, OY here, OY here, and OY here. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
They're still multisyllabic words.
Yes, they are. Anything else, Ms. Yakimowicz? Any R control vowels that you may have noticed? Yes.
I found a R controlled vowel at the end of oyster catcher.
Yes, oyster catcher has the R control vowel spelled ER. Jumping to line 3. And boys and girls, I am so sorry I made a mistake and I was not going to rewrite it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Standpoint. Disjointed. Pinpoint. And poison. Reread that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Standpoint. Disjointed. Pinpoint. And poison. And teachers, when you're ready, again, students, you may hit pause and think about it some more. Miss Yakimowicz.
I was going to say oint, but poison doesn't have oint. So they all have the O-I, which makes the oi sound.
Yes, we only have the O-I. And I was thinking, oh, I'm definitely going to be able to trick the teachers. But no, I did not fool anyone. Just myself. Anyone else notice a pattern there? Nope. All right, let's move on to the sentence. Boys and girls, hit that pause button. Remember, we're not trying to we're not trying to read the sentence first. We're trying to figure out how many words did you find in that sentence that have the oi spelled O-I or O-Y. Teachers, when you're ready, show me with your fingers. Oh, are you trying to air high five me? All right, let's go. Miss Yakimowicz, what's the first word you found?
Disjointed.
Disjointed. Miss T.
A viceroy.
Yes, viceroy. Miss Hernandez.
Oyster catcher.
Oyster catcher. And boys and girls, that is the name of a bird. And Miss Yakimowicz, back to you.
Embroiders.
Embroiders. Miss T.
Asteroid.
Asteroid. All right. And it doesn't seem that we have any more. You're right. And remember, teachers, you are the model for our students. Please go ahead and read those words as I point. What's this word?
Disjointed.
Disjointed.
Viceroy.
Viceroy.
Oyster.
Oyster catcher.
catcher.
Embroiders.
Embroiders.
Asteroid.
Asteroid. And remember, boys and girls, this is a silly sentence. It's a way of applying what we are learning. And the rest of the words should be high frequency words or words that you can blend. Teachers, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1.
The
The
disjointed
disjointed
viceroy
viceroy
was
was
an
an
oyster
oyster
catcher
catcher
that
that
embroidered
embroiders
asteroid
asteroid shapes.
How silly is that, you guys? Having an oyster catcher ruling this area, but he can embroider too. Can I get Miss Yakimowicz to go ahead and say that with fluidity?
The disjointed viceroy was an oyster catcher that embroiders asteroid shapes.
Yes, and Miss T, could you go ahead and scoop it for us?
The disjointed viceroy was an oyster catcher that embroiders asteroid shapes.
Very nice. And Miss Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No way, it's encoding time.
Decoding time, boys and girls. Take out those markers, pencils, papers, whiteboard markers, or whiteboards. If you need to, want to go ahead and put it on Seesaw, hit that plus, hit that journal, and write along as we do. Remember, boys and girls, if you do not need the scaffolds, please go ahead and try to write it as I say it or dictate it back to you. Ready, teachers? When you're ready, thumbs up to your chest. Ooh, awesome. Okay, we only have 2 columns. Here we go. First word, and there's not a lot of help. Charbroil. What's the word? Charbroil. Here we go. Char, oil, broil. Oil, charbroil. Teacher, show me. Watch that R control vowel. Excellent. AR is correct. Jumping over to the next word is checkpoint. What's the word? Checkpoint. Check. Check. Point. Check. Checkpoint. Go ahead, teachers. Excellent. Keep it up. Next word. Disjointed. Disjointed. Joint, ed, disjointed. Teachers. Excellent. Beautiful. Next word. Asteroid. Here we go. Asteroid. Teachers, show me. Watch that R control vowel. Yes, it is an ER. Jump over to the next column. The word is boyish. What is it?
Boyish.
Boyish. Boy, ish. Boyish. Teacher, show me. Boyish. Excellent. Keep it up. Remember, boys and girls, you can hit pause in between these words. That gives you enough time to write these things down. Next word. We saw it on your list. The word is viceroy. Viceroy. Vice, roy. Viceroy. Teachers. Yes, it is a C. We've studied that before. All right, next word. Easy word. The word is bellboy. What is it? Bellboy. B-E-O, bell, B-O-Y, boy. B-E-O, boy. Bellboy. Go ahead, teachers. Excellent. Keep it up. Long word. And as you can see how it's set up, you already know what it is. Oyster catcher. What is it? Oyster catcher. Stir, at, ch. And then this is herb. Oyster oyster catcher. Teacher, show me. Yes, you're right. Awesome. And that was a tricky one because you not only did you have the R control vowel, you had it not only once, but twice in there. And they're both ER. Jump over to the next one, sentence time. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest. And then the rest of you, remember, you could hit that pause button, write the scaffolds in before we get started. All right, here we go. The employee, ploy, employee, saw the paper boy, pay, per, boy, boy, paper boy, tell the bellboy, bell, boy, bellboy, a factoid, fact, toid, factoid. Teachers, when you're ready, show me your work. Excellent, excellent. Job well done. Double pat yourselves on the back. And remember, boys and girls, it's okay to make mistakes. If you happen to miss a word, it's okay. You have time. You have many years to learn how to spell. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Tune in next week for another round of phonics. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.